Welcome to my channel PHP Starters. Today's our important topic is object. So object comes under OOPS concepts of PHP also. So finally today we are going to be discussing about class and object, mainly object. So objects are instances of the classes that can store both values and functions. Values may be variable values or functions. So objects are instances of classes. So if you create any class, there should be one object. Means like it's not compulsory, but if you need to call the members and functions, then you need some object. So then object is nothing but instance. So now there is a oral example where I am creating one class car. So in that car I am having function model. So in that model I am passing one member value model name. It is ODE5 and I am passing statement. Car model is model name. Here interpolation is happening. So the output will be car model is RDA5, but we need to call this function inside the class. How to call the function which is inside the class? By creating object. This is our main motto of this class. So we need to create an instance for this class. We are using some reference name. This may be $obg, $car, dollar reference, whatever it may be. So we are using new keyword for object creation, and we are using this class name. So this is the syntax for object creation, and with the help of this reference name we are calling the function of the class. So now this is overall about object. So now we are seeing the PHP open tag close tag. I am creating one class cycle. So class cycle I am creating object for the class cycle. I have created object is nothing but instance. So now I am creating one function model. So dollar model name is equal to BSA. This is good company, cycle company, BSA SLR. So now I am interpolating. My cycle is dollar model name. So now I am calling with the instance. So I am saving this object with the file name of object dot php. Okay. As soon as I save, the color will be changed. So now let's check the output of this object. My cycle is BSA. Can you see, right? My cycle is BSA. So the thing is the member function which we are called with the instance is working. So what is the main purpose is reusability. So for every time we cannot write for every object we no need to write the this function repeated times. So just we can create the instance for the class and we can call it. So it will take only these two lines. So this function we can use for 100 times, 1000 times, how many times as per that. So that is main purpose of this OOPS concepts of class and object. So we will be discussing about constructor in the next class, and variables like private variables, public variables. So this is our next motto. So please support me by subscribing my channel. Thanks. Let's meet again. Bye bye.